Good morning, children. We'll have GK. Take lesson 2. Preserving nature. How to preserve our nature is very most important things. Increasing population, industrialization and pollutions are some reasons creating serious problem to our nature. Let us see how it happens. For each and everything, man is the reason. Because of man, everything is being created. For example, first we will see the population growing among us more creates more problem to the mankind. Because of man, millions of sea creatures are killed. Why they are being killed? It is so because each and all the oily things being drained to the sea, and sea water is being polluted, and water becoming poisonous for the creatures, whether it is little or big. Secondly, to our atmosphere becoming polluted. Why? The excess of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere leads to the global warming. Different types of vehicles, aeroplanes, trains are being run among us. They emit lot of smokes, and these smokes makes our atmosphere very, very heat, which is not good for the human sake, because our atmosphere polluted, that means we can't get fresh air to breathe. Then next we are placing everywhere plastic, all the wasted materials here and there, which also makes our atmosphere polluted. So, all these problems of the human being to be solved, if we don't solve it, we may suffer for long. So, man should be aware towards their own activities. We should plant more trees. We should ban on plastic materials. We should try to have vehicles, trains and many more engines smokeless, so that our atmosphere may not become polluted. So, my dear children, by doing all these activities, I think we can solve the problem of being polluted our atmosphere. Thank you very much.